Hey guys, this is Jay. Today we're going to see how to create this logo in Photoshop. Before getting started, you can download all the files used in this tutorial. Link in the description. Download it, use it. If you got any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I'll help you. Fine, let's get started. So first we are going to create a new canvas in Photoshop. I'll keep the size 1600 by 1600, resolution 300, other settings same. So I'm going to create a background. For that I'm going to drag and drop the background image in the folder you downloaded. Open it in the Photoshop. I just drag and drop the image inside our canvas. I adjust it a little bit and place it at the center. Fine. And then I'm going to delete the default layer. Next we are going to create center guides. For that we are going to go to View, New Guide, 50%. Again View, New Guide, this time horizontal, 50%. And our center guide is ready. Next we are going to create a triangle. For that we are going to create a layer. Go to Shapes tool, select Polygon tool, disable fill, enable stroke. I'll go with white color. I'll keep the size as 30 pixels. By holding Shift key in the keyboard, I draw a perfect square like so. And I name this as triangle. I enable the free transform tool and I adjust the size of the triangle a little bit. And I place it at the center. Fine. And this one is good. Okay. Next we are going to bring in the crown image inside our canvas. For that, go to the folder, open the crown image in Photoshop, drag and drop the image inside our canvas, name the layer as crown. Now we are going to enable free transform, shortcut Ctrl T. If you want to do it manually, go to Edit, free transform. By holding Shift key in the keyboard, I'm going to resize it and place it at the center, something like this. Okay. Next, I'm going to reduce the opacity of the triangle we created, something around 54. I'll keep it as 54. Now we need to remove those overlapping lines. For that we are going to create a layer. Go to Shapes tool and select Rectangle tool. Now enable the fill. Select any random color. I'll go with this one. Disable stroke and create a triangle like this one. I enable the free transform tool and adjust the size. Okay. So now we are going to name this layer as guides. Next we are going to rasterize our triangle layer. Right click, select the layer, right click and rasterize that layer. Next we are going to disable the guides layer. Now here's the trick. Now hold Ctrl key in your keyboard and click the thumbnail of the guides layer. Now the rectangle will be selected. Now select the triangle layer and hit delete. Now those overlapping lines will be deleted. Now hit Ctrl T to deselect. Now we are going to create a text. For that we are going to create a new layer, text. Use the font you are interested. I'll go with the font name called Lemon. It's a free font, you can download it, link in the description. I just create some random name, creative, something like that. I resize the size, text. I'll keep the size around 38. Okay, and now I'm going to place it at the center. Okay, this one is good. Next we are going to do the process we have done before, like delete the overlapping lines. For that we are going to enable the guides. We are going to move the little bit down here. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity of the guides layer to around 70. By enabling the free transform tool, I'm going to adjust the size. Okay, now we are going to use this rectangle guides layer and delete the overlapping lines. For that we are going to repeat the same process. Disable this one, select the triangle layer, hold Ctrl key in your keyboard. Now click the guides thumbnail, the rectangle will be selected. Now hit delete. Now the overlapping lines are deleted. Now hit Ctrl D to deselect. Now I'm going to roll back the opacity to 100. Next we are going to create a line on the top and bottom of the text. For that we are going to create a layer, shapes tool, rectangle. I'll go with white color and draw a line like so. Enabling the free transform tool, adjust the line. Okay, this one is good. Can reduce the line little bit. Place it at the center. Next we are going to create a copy of that layer. I'm going to use keyboard shortcut key Ctrl J and drag it down and place it at the bottom. Fine. Next we are going to add another text. For the create a layer, enable text 1925. So our logo is ready now. Now all you got to do is save the file. For that we are going to disable the background layer, save the file as PNG. Now your file is ready. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.